This is where the original carbon monoxide detector was, and I've just taken out the two screws, pulled it out and cut the wires, and you can see there's 12 volts with a fuse and the ground wire. So on eBay, the voltage meter goes DC, and I think it's like 4 to 30 volts, something like that. They're about $3.50. You have to make a square cutout so it slides through. The carbon monoxide meter, like there's 110 and there's 12 volt. Make sure you get a 12 volt one. It has 4 pins on the back, which is kind of confusing. The instructions are in Chinese, again off eBay, but if you look, it actually says pin 1 is 12 volt positive and pin 2 is 12 volt negative. And then I used a step drill like this, again off eBay for about $3 to make the holes in the plastic so you don't crack it. You can use Lextan, plexiglass, or any other form of plastic to make your base plate, and a 3-position switch in this case, because I want to be able to check the voltage in the trailer momentarily and leave everything on when we're using the trailer. At this point we have mounted the base. You got pin 1 and pin 2, it's marked in the plastic. A couple of screws, 3-position switch is put through, and the voltage meter is pressed into the little piece of plastic there. One last note is I used Wago connectors on this. You just push the wire in, snap that little piece down, and it locks it with a stainless steel little bar inside. They work great. Other people might prefer to use a crimp connector or something similar. This is the finished product. You can see 12.9 volts. Carbon monoxide is flashing. Everything works good. That is a circuit diagram, in case anybody needs it, but I really would doubt they would. This is pretty simple. And of course in trailers these are always on. The problem is the heads in them have a finite life, and every 5 to 7 years they're going to burn out and you got to put a new one in. We don't use the trailer that much, so I've just elected to put a switch in and make sure the switch is on when we're camping. That's my own view. Yours may be different, that's fine. This kind of detector does take a while. It flashes for 3 or 4 minutes and then it goes solid, indicating it's on. You should test these probably on a yearly basis just to make sure they're functioning properly.